Now, I'm not sure what it was like before you changed it, but I'm guessing it has something to do with the indentation. Um, for example, if I had this up here, the fact that these are indented, if I tried to put in my A, B, C, and N here and run it, let's see here. Then we get an error. The indentation here would imply it has to be under this function. Now, on the other hand, if I get rid of the indentation, now if I run it, well, now those aren't defined. Aren't those defined? String A is not defined. Oh, because string A down here. Yeah. Okay. Well, just since they're declared within the within this, that's what the issue is. Okay, let me put that back. Now, the only way you could pass in parameters like this is if you, well, you wouldn't need to pass in parameters since you're accessing the A, B, C, and N directly from within the function here. It has to be defined within the function. So you can't define it outside here. Now, if you wanted to pass in default values, I suppose you could pass in something here, but you can't pass in the variables you're actually using here.